Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to take easy screenshots on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, let me show you one by one screenshot buttons on Samsung. First, open Control Center. Simply tap on Edit button and simply add Screenshot button. Simply find Screenshot button. Look at this. Take screenshot, simply tap and add screenshot button on your Control Center. And first, you can take screenshot like this from Control Center. Number 2, volume down and lock button. Number 3, simply go to setting. Go to Advanced Feature, go to Motions and Gestures, and downside Palm Sweep to Capture. Simply turn on this screenshot feature, and guys, you also take screenshot like this on your Samsung. But this is hard process. Guys, this is not easy to take screenshot. Look at this. This is not easy. So this is normal screenshot buttons on your Galaxy device. But let me show you how to take easy screenshot on your Galaxy device. First, go to Galaxy Store and search Good Lock. And download Good Lock on your Galaxy device. Simply tap and open. Tap on Agree Continue and update all modules first. Look at this. Simply go to NavStar. Simply turn on and tap on New Configure. Look at this. Simply tap on Button Layout. Simply tap on Add button and simply add Screen Capture button on your navigation bar. Simply tap on Done, tap on Save, and simply select these new navigation buttons and look at this Screen Capture button add on my navigation bar. Simply tap and take screenshot easily. Look at this. Now next, open again Good Lock. Now scroll and go to Register. After go to Register, look at these two options. Back tap action, simply select first option, back tap action, and look at this double tap, simply select take screenshot, and guys, you take screenshot on your Galaxy like iPhone with back tap. Look at this. And last option is simply go back and look at this downside side key press and hold action. Simply turn on this option and select take and share screenshot. Now look at this, you take screenshot easily with hold lock button. So guys, this is easy process to take screenshot on your Galaxy device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.